I'm a everyday junglist.
Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. And today we are going to continue our Akai series discussing how to create key groups on your Akai S3000. It works on the 3200 and the basic principle is the same for any hardware sampler. So today we're going to show you the principle of putting together key groups on a hardware sampler, specifically being the Akai S3200. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so here we have the Akai screen. You'll be faced with this test program, and the first thing that we're going to do is hit the name button, and then we're going to name the test program, not name, but we're going to copy it. We're just going to call it drums, D-R-U-M-S, and as you can see it already says drums because I was sort of just checking out what I was going to do previously. So D-R-U-M-S, hit the enter button, and then you'll get this screen here that says copy or rename. You want to copy this now because you want to keep the test tone as a template. So you should have two actual tone programs, yeah? Next, you'll go to key groups, and I've actually got some drums that I've already pre-put into this so I can show just for the purpose of this demo. And you basically want to get your first sample. Let's just put it to sign for now, and then we'll go to key groups, and then we'll make a few key groups. So we just go to there, then we'll press the plus button a couple of times, and it will create key groups. 2, 3. So we're going to have one for the drum, one for the snare, one for a hi-hat, yeah? As you can see, we've got 4 key groups now, as you can see there. Next, you want to go to sample, press F6. And then as you can see here now, you could just select your samples. First one I'm going to do is select a kick drum on key group 1. Clean kick, there you go. Next on key group 2, I'm going to put a snare. Key group 3, I'm going to put a, what else we got? Snare, we got a hat. Got clean kick, yeah, we've got hat there. And on key group 4, I'm just going to put maybe a, let's see, snare break. I'm not sure. I don't think we need that. I'm going to put a 808 sub. There you go. So I put the 808 sub on there. Right. So now what you'll find is when you press a key, all the samples will play together. Let's go to multi. Okay, so you're going to hear, when you press a key, you'll hear that sign, that test tone. So what you want to do here now on the multi now is you want to go to select your drum key group there. And as you can see, that's on MIDI channel 1. You've also got to make sure that Omni is not switched on your sampler. So I would go just to quickly check that. I'll go to MIDI, global, MIDI, make sure Omni's not on. Omni's not on this one. Probably on the 950 it would do that. So I'll go back to my multi, I'll edit, and in here now, next thing I've got to do is make all of these go into separate keys. So what I want to do is go to each key group here, and you changed where it says track here to constant, C-O-N-S, const, yeah? But instead of just changing the one single one, put edit on all, and then just put it to constant. That way, it will affect all of the key groups, right? Once you've done that, you then need to still do the keys, because if you look here, you'll see all of the keys are configured all the way up and down the keyboards from C0 to C8. So next, you want to go into spam. So you come out of there, you go to span, which would be the F3 button. So again, from key groups, from where he was, you'd want to come out of there by going back to key group, go to span, and then you'll see a page here that shows all of the keys for each key group 1 to 4. Now what I'm going to do now is all I'm going to do on the keyboard is I'm going to turn MIDI span on, and I'm going to hit C2, let's say for example, and C2 again. Next one, black key up, C sharp, D, D sharp. Once I've done that, all my instruments should be now configured. So there you have it, guys, all configured and ready to go. All you have to do now is literally just assign the MIDI channel that you want it to play on, which obviously on here our drums would be on number MIDI channel 1. If you wanted to make another key group, you just put it onto the next one down, which would be number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will take up to 16 different key slots. For a bass line, it's slightly different. For a bass sound, if you wanted just to program a bass sound, all you would do is just the same process all over again from the start, and then call that 808 bass 08 RZR. Press number. Hold on. Let me just get this here so you can see what I'm doing. Press number there, then all this becomes a little calculator keypad. 808. You might as well call it bass as well. So let's just go back there again, and then we call that bass, BASS. Boom. Copy. And then inside there again, the same process all over again. You just put your 808 bass in there. And the difference is now you've got a bass line you can play up and down the keys. Once you put it on the multi, sorry, on channel 2. Okay, so at the moment that's playing channel 1. But if I go to my DAW and I just change the output to channel 2, I'm sure you guys know how to do that. Comment down below if anyone doesn't. Be happy to just do a tutorial on how to get that going. And as you can see, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash the like button if you want to see more, and like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're informed as soon as I upload a video. On the next video I will show you some advanced features in the key group section. Also I've got the filters to go through, and I've also got the Akai time stretching, providing we get enough love on these videos. Take care, God bless, peace.
I'm a everyday junglist.